the surface. Perseverance is continuing to descend on the parachute. We are coming up on the initialization of terrain relative navigation and subsequently the priming of the landing engines. The current velocity is about 90 meters per second at an altitude of 4.2 kilometers. We have confirmation that the lander vision system has produced a valid solution and part of terrain relative navigation. We have timing of the landing engine. Current velocity is 83 meters per second at about 2.6 kilometers from the surface of Mars. We have confirmation that the back shell has separated. We are currently performing the divert maneuver. Current velocity is about 75 meters per second at an altitude of about a kilometer off the surface of Mars.
Here in Safety Bravo.
We have completed our terrain relative navigation. Current speed is about 30 meters per second, altitude of about 300 meters off the surface of Mars. We've started our constant velocity accordion, which means we are conducting the sky crane, about to conduct the sky crane maneuver.
We've lost direct Earth tones.
As expected. As expected.
Sky crane maneuver has started. About 20 meters off the surface.
We're getting signals from MRO.
UAV deficit? Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sands of past life. At this point, the descent stage has flown away to a safe distance. Perseverance is continuing to transmit drift through modifying orbiter to Earth.
Little bit of excitement here, folks.
Oh my God.
No reports, they're still getting telemetry from the lander.
Alright, all stations.
We got it.
Touchdown confirmed. We're going to wait for the images.
This is so exciting. The team is beside themselves. It's so surreal. Stay tuned. We might get some pictures. So much has been riding on this.
Yeah, we just heard the news that Perseverance is alive on the surface of Mars.
Flight will see the completion of EDL 3000. Copy activity. That is as expected.
MRO is still seeing a strong signal from the lander.
We've just heard the news that Perseverance is alive on the surface of Mars. Congratulations to the
Nice one, folks.
And looks like we have some more news in. It
Lovely.
looks like the first image. Here is a look at the first image.
Pedwell 3, I have the target point on the map when you are ready. We are ready, OL 3. Go for it. you the safe zone that we've landed in.
Has just put the first image from Perseverance on the surface of Mars. Now, it comes from the engineering cameras known as the hazard camera. This camera is mainly used to help the rover drive safely around Mars, and we will get higher resolution photos later in the day.
It's amazing.
Well, there you go, folks. Special stuff.
Steve?
Well, that's very nice of him.
You did. You led the team. You made it happen.
Live from Pedwell. Millions of miles from Mars.
We just got our second image in. Our second image is in.
Bit of history there, folks.
We have a camera in the front and rear of the spacecraft. They're near the ground, so these are pretty close. So you can see the wheels there, and they're a little dirty because you've got glass covers over these cameras. But we took these seconds after landing, so there's still dust in the air from our landing event. So this is happening. This happened just seconds ago. Just arrived, and this is really amazing. And we even know where we landed. This is the most amazing thing. The vehicle has told us where it's landed because it figured it out. This is a sign. NASA works. NASA works. And
The wonders of modern technology, folks.
Our brains together, we can succeed. This is what NASA does. This is what we can do as a country. On all of the problems we have, we need to work together to do these kinds of things and make
Absolutely.
Joining us now is the acting administrator of NASA, Steve Jurczyk. Steve, welcome and congratulations.
Hey, thank you. What an amazing day.
And how does it feel to have another rover on Mars?
It's amazing to have Perseverance join Curiosity on Mars, and what just a credit to the team. I mean, just what an amazing team to work through all the adversity that goes and all the challenges that go with landing a rover on Mars, plus the challenges of COVID, and just an amazing accomplishment.
And what does this mean for NASA and its future plans?
So for robotic exploration, every time we execute a mission with new instruments, we discover new things and things we never thought we would discover. So
We are executing a mission.
for future robotic missions, both landers, rovers,
That's technology for you.
This mission also has technology on it. One of the cool things is the Ingenuity helicopter. It's an experiment on this mission, but if it's successful, we can use it as an science observation platform by putting instruments on it, and also use it as a scout for future rover missions, and then just the intercept and landing capability. It'll allow us to land more larger, more ambitious robots on the surface of Mars, and then for human exploration. We have the Mars Intercept and Landing Instrumentation, which is going to give us EDL information. We have the Mars Environmental Dynamics Analyzer. It's going to give us properties, size and properties of dust particles, because when we send people, we're going to have to deal with that dust. This is just an incredible mission because of the science and the technology and then caching samples for a Mars sample return mission.